Hey guys, it's Cassie from And Other Lovelies, and I am back today to share a look at my October Wild Hair Kit. So this month we're doing something a little bit different, and the design team members are receiving a petite kit, which is $19.95 plus shipping and handling. It's a smaller version of the kit, and what this means is it's going to be a great opportunity to use up some of my stash, add some new product in without receiving a full-blown deluxe kit. So with that, some of the things that I asked for this month, pretty typical in terms of things that I love, alphabet stickers. Like always on your style profile, you can rate some different photos to help tell the curator what it is that you like in terms of color schemes. Things that I plan to be working on: Project Life Catch-Up, continue to work on vacation pages. Things that I was looking for were the Create Paper, Wild, Heart, or Here and There collections, just because I'm trying to get caught up on some of my travel photos. You can also share your Instagram account. So again, it's a less expensive price. You receive less products, but I'm still so excited to dive into this. So let's take a peek. Allison listed, hope you love this month's kit. I sent a mix of the Create Paper travel lines. I also included a fun brand new acrylic set from Bramble Fox. Enjoy. So this is something that us design team members are excited about. Allison has a new partnership with an acrylic creator called Bramble Fox, and so this is so cool. Okay, so check out what these say here. So the back says, "Hello, you're amazing." I might try to use that card in some way. But look at these. So it's a black acrylic. So OMG, today, here, noted, look, and wow. And check out the dimension on those. That is just perfect. I love these. These are so cool. And I'm a sucker for black and white anything. So, all right, let's see what else. So I'm already loving just the black that I'm seeing. Oh, this is so good. Okay, so it looks like those acrylic pieces. I've got a little bit of twine, which I found in the past kits that I've received where she's included twine. It's been perfect because you can just add it on to a tag or just for a little bit of extra texture. So a little bit there. This is the first petite kit that I've received, so I'm also excited just to kind of see how the quantity changes from a deluxe kit to a petite. Okay, it looks like some paper clips. So Paradise Love, some of these sparkly, those are so fun. The giant leaves there, Our Life, I love this script, and then a big heart. I really like those. Okay, and then Happy Crafting for October. I know it might seem kind of not customary to be asking for vacation themed things in October, but that's one of the things that I love about Wild Hair Kits, is the sense that what I'm working on is catch-up photos from my summer and from my vacation, and the fact that you can put that in your style profile and your curator listens is able to pull from her resources to be able to create a kit like this is so cool to me. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so this is the Wild Heart sticker sheet. So it is a 12 by 12 sheet. There's a nice alpha here with some cool holographic foiling. I really like this. Hooray. This is everything. That's celebrate the victories no matter how small. I love that. This is so cute. This is very me. It's like trendy, a mix of icons and words. The fact that there's an alpha is a really nice addition too. So next up, the papers. Looks like I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12 by 12 sheets. These are all double-sided. And let's take a peek. So this one has a whole bunch of travel phrases on it. And then the back side has these cute mopeds. So this is from the Here and There collection. I like this side the best. Ooh, I was hoping for this. So I saw one of the other design team members unbox this, and I was so jealous and coveting it just because of these different phrases. There's no end to the adventure we can have. I heart travel. So I do a bunch of 6 by 8 pocket page designs, and so I love being able to cut apart these 12 by 12 sheets. And this is just a really nice neutral. I prefer having these cut apart, so I'll probably dig right into that. Ooh, I like this. Okay, this is from Pebbles Girl Squad, so it's a nice floral. Matches nicely with the colors without being too matchy-matchy. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is like a green leaf pattern, and then there's some bicycles here along the bottom. That looks really cool with these leaves, and then all those jewel tone colors. That looks really good together. Allison has such an eye for matching colors, matching collections without them being, you know, just one of everything from the collection, because I could buy the whole collection, but by having these mixes and matches, I just add some variety. So I really like both of those sides. I think I'll leave it on the green for now. Ooh, another cut apart. Okay, so this is from the Wild Heart collection. I love this. Messy Bun and Coffee Run, Current Mood, Paradise, Stay Wild, Away from Home. These will be perfect for the summer trip that we took. And then a white and black stripe, but it's kind of like a messy line stripe. Lastly, ooh, this is really cool. So check out, there's like a texture look to it where it looks like there's bricks in the background and then these colors over the top and the back. Ooh, this is lovely. I love this one. Both really neat. Okay, so this one's from the Wild Heart collection as well. So it looks like a really good mix of colors and patterns, especially when you factor in these cut aparts. I think the first thing I'm going to do is actually cut these apart so that I can really see what I have and be able to spread them out, mix and match some of the colors, put these stickers to good use. As I told Allison in my profile, stickers are my favorite embellishment, so give me all the stickers. And then here we've got just a couple embellishments, a lot of dimension this month between these paper clips and these acrylic pieces. So super excited to dive into this. I'll probably be supplementing this kit with my stash. I have a feeling I'm gonna pull out maybe some more black and white, maybe some pops of this lighter pink here, just to help a petite kit go a little bit further. All in all, for the amount of crafting that I do, this will be plenty to make an impact on my stack of travel photos that I really need to get into my album so I can move on to fall, because next month is starting to prep for December daily. So I really want to use this month of October to make some good progress on the summer photos that I took. With that, if you have any questions about the kit, feel free to leave it in the comments below. The last thing that I did want to mention is if you purchase a deluxe kit, so not the petite kit, but the deluxe kit, you do receive the exclusive cut file. And since I have a silhouette, you're able to cut these at home too, even if you purchase a petite kit. And so I just want to give you a sneak peek of what this cut file looks like. So I love it because check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? So exclusive cut file, begging to be backed or colored within, I don't know yet, we'll see. So another perk that you get from purchasing a kit, you also have access to the last 12 months of cut files. So there's a lot of goodness there if you have a silhouette or a Cricut and are able to cut files at home. So with that, if you have any questions again about this kit, about how the style profile works, or any recommendations on things to ask for, please let me know. I'm happy to help however I can. Check out thewildharekits.com to fill out your style profile and put in a request for a kit. Like I mentioned, it is entirely custom, all to you, what you want, when you want it, and the size of kit that you want. I'm really excited to dive in, and you can find me on Instagram at @andotherlovelies if you want to see and follow along as I create with this kit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll chat soon. Bye!